My matrix number 08ATP22F1077. Today I am going to show you all how to clean the air conditioner's filter. Firstly, the air conditioner is turned off and unplugged. Don't use wet hands to switch off the plug. Secondly, the front panel is open to remove air filter. Later, the air filter is taken out. Make sure the dirt or debris not fall into the air box. Next, the air filter is vacuumed until the dust come out. Then the air filter is rinsed until the water runs clear. And the air filter is shaped to get rid of any excess water. Furthermore, the air filter is set down. Make sure it completely dry before fixed back. Finally, the air filter is simply kicked back inside the front panel.